What is up, people? Welcome to the streaming. Welcome to the channel. How's everybody doing? I'm just doing a sound test. What is up, people? Awesome. So the audio seems to be all good. Super important that you understand that this streaming can go, I think, up to 4K, but if by any chance it gets stuck or something like that in your end, you guys should lower your video quality. So welcome everybody to the streaming. Today is May 17th, 2022, and we are about to talk three different topics today that are super important, super delicate. And so, yeah, I got some updates for you guys. Really cool updates, by the way. But yeah, and some good, and some updates in regards to COTPS, a system that you guys already know that I've been using for the past few days, for a few weeks, actually, I think a month or something like that. I'm not sure. But yeah, welcome everybody to this live streaming. So let me know where you guys are saying hi from. As usual, I'm looking at the live chat right now. Smash the like button if you're just, joining in, or if you want to check this on, or if you support this YouTube channel. Okay. Let me know where you're saying hi from, as usual. I want to make sure that you guys can hear me and see me well, as usual. So where you guys are saying hi from, South Africa, welcome, people. Okay. California, okay, I see India, Algeria, Guyana, Caribbean, how you doing? Ukraine, how's everybody doing in there? Indiana, okay. Namibia. When am I going to California? I don't think anytime soon, actually. Somalia, I think it was Somalia. Phoenix, Arizona. So welcome everybody to this streaming. I'm gonna go through the topics real quick, basically, because I don't want to take that much of your time. We're gonna be together for about half hour. So hopefully you guys can hear me well, and you guys are ready for this information that I'm about to give you right now. So what is it that I want you guys to understand? Hold on, I'm looking at the quality is good, right? The video and the sound is good, right? Because I'm using OBS right now, and I think, it gets kind of crazy and the quality goes down for some reason sometimes. Ecuador has it, Nigeria, Florida, Spain. My email, you guys can email us to support@blwonlinetrading.com. Do you do one-on-ones? No, I don't do one-on-ones, at least not yet. Okay. Is the audio and video good? All right, awesome. So look, we're gonna talk about three different things today, and I want to start by giving you guys an update in regards to COTPS, or COTPS, crypto OTC, whatever you want to call it. COTPS, is it still working? Because this is the main question. Is it still working, Chris? The answer is yes. Okay, 100% yes. Is the withdrawal issue fixed? Not entirely, but it has been fixed in many countries. Okay, So here's the deal. You guys can take a look at my balances right now, $30,342. And I started with a balance of $13,000 in total. My total investment was $13,000. So I doubled up my profits and I took it all the way to 30 grand. What is it that I did in order to do this? Pretty much nothing, guys. You guys already know. If you guys watched my videos before, then you probably already know that I've been using this system for arbitrage trading, and everything seems to be usual. And as it is completely normal, a lot of people are freaking out just because they're getting their withdrawals right now. Okay? There's a few reasons why this has been going on, and I wanted to be myself telling you guys. I've seen videos in regard from other YouTubers telling you guys in regards to it, but I know you guys trust me, so I wanted to be the first or the one showing you the face and telling you what's been going on with it. Just a FYI, I'm not behind the company. I'm not related with the company. I'm just another user using this service. So I'm gonna tell you what I've been able to find out, what I've been able to dig into it. And the first thing that you got to understand is that the crash of Terra, Luna, and Bitcoin has a lot to do with everything that has been going on in the crypto world, okay? Is everybody familiar with what happened with Luna and Terra? Just wondering, because you guys already know that I don't promote that much into, crypto, but I'm into crypto, so I try to post at least, here and there a few videos in regards to crypto because I'm a crypto investor, holder, trader. But if you're not familiar with it, but basically Terra Luna dropped from $100 to $0.0003, which basically was a 99.97% drop in 24 hours. That was the biggest crash of cryptocurrencies in the history. We still don't know what's been going on with it. I follow a few YouTubers that have a lot more information in regards to it. And a lot of people lost millions of dollars with this drop. I personally didn't have any Luna or Terra coin or anything like that. I just handle 3 different coins, some cryptocurrencies, 4 actually from today. But here's the deal. It affected so much the markets that a lot of people started to freak out, started doing withdrawals immediately in all of the exchanges. You can imagine, I don't know, let's say 50 million people trying to do withdrawals. So the SMS verification systems crashed, okay? At least the QSMS, which is the system the COTPS use in order to send the verification code. Now, what's the problem with this? The problem with this is that since it crashed, nobody now is able to withdraw their money. So what COTPS did is did a few updates in regards to it. They're trying to fix the system. And now they switched over to a different SMS verification system. And now countries one by one are being able to withdraw. Right now, I think I read somewhere that India and Bangladesh are able to withdraw as normal. And they're going to continue adding countries and so on. You guys already know that India is probably one of the biggest countries with most traders in the world. So India was a big target for them so that people could withdraw. And now they're going to continue. I think my country is going to be one of the latest ones, honestly. But you guys get the point, right? So that's the biggest issue with COTPS. Now, is it going to be fixed tomorrow? I'm not sure. Today is Tuesday, and they said by tomorrow it was going to be entirely fixed. Hopefully, yes. I'm not really too optimistic in regards to it. We're talking about millions of people placing trades, trying to get SMS, even though right now that the company said that it's not working, people are still trying to send themselves text messages in order to test it. I'm not blaming you. I tried it myself 2 days ago. But this continues to saturate the system, and that's the reason why everything's slowing down. But like I said, this is what I actually learned in regards to COTPS within the from the past few days. So here's the deal. I'm looking for COTPS right now. We're gonna read the tweets that are in there. Just FYI, I don't think I actually found the actual COTPS official Twitter. I don't even know if they do. By the way, if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, the link is in the description. And I try to retweet all this information as soon as possible. But here's the deal. It says, why is COP withdrawal? Oh, this is a normal tweet. I don't know. COPS up into more said 7 hours ago, but I don't think that's the official one. Then another person says, guy, come down with the FUD. If cops wanted your money, they could have easily shut their website down. That's true. You can operate as usual. The only thing that you can do right now is withdrawals. I think this happened in the past, according to something that I read. And they recovered it, and now they're back in business. Now, yesterday, well, 3 days ago, we had a new withdrawal successful from this account. Then we have the SMS issue would be resolved by Wednesday, which is tomorrow. Let's see what's going on. Then people ask themselves 3 hours ago if they can actually do the withdrawal. And again, it's something that is being fixed one by one. So this was on May 9th. The issue itself, I think it was on May 13th. May 13th was when the issue started. Okay? So this is what I've been able to find out. Okay? This is the platform has connected with a new SMS operators and SMS in various countries is gradually being restored. Some countries and regions have returned to normal. For members of countries that have not been just restored yet, please wait patiently. This is what customer service said in regards to it. These are the new things. Okay, so can confirm that Bitmark Cloud is, I don't know, a lot of fun again. Okay, another response from COPS customer service. This was from today, and it says, the platform, okay, the same reply. Okay, so what is it that I wanted to tell you with this? What is it that I'm doing in case you guys want to know what I'm personally doing? I'm just waiting, okay? There's no reason to freak out unless the website goes down. But the website itself continues to go as usual, okay? I can refresh it, and I see all my assets. I can keep on trading and so on. So there's no reason for you guys to panic, okay? We just got to be patient. I think probably by next week, everything will be restored. And most likely at the moment that everything gets restored, a lot of people are going to try to withdraw their money. So that's actually going to bring the website a little bit slower. I think they might just go ahead and put a limit to withdrawals, maybe one withdrawal per day per person. So you guys don't have to go like all through the process all over again, and so on. Okay? So yeah, that's the update in regards to COPS. Nothing else to say in regards to it. Let's just wait. Okay? I will go ahead and continue giving you guys updates. I think I'm planning to have some live streaming just like this one within this week, and then give you guys updates once I'm able to withdraw, once I'm able to get messages from people right here in the live chat as well that can withdraw. Maybe you guys can share it, and yeah. Okay? Okay. I'm going to start silencing some people who are just not respectful, you know, who are just haters, who are just negative. And that's it. Now, look, one thing that I want to point out is that I share with you guys the systems that I use. Okay, I'm not selling you guys something that I don't use. I'm not telling you guys, hey, join this, and I'm not going to join it. I trade with the same accounts that you guys trade. I trade with the same strategies that I use. I trade with the exact same system that I sell. And I share with you some other systems that I personally use, like this one, like MetaFi Yielders. I always share what I am using. If you guys want to use it, you guys are welcome to do so. If not, nobody's forcing you guys to do it, okay? The reason why I'm telling you guys this is so that you guys can understand that I'm not doing this on purpose just, you know, to screw you or something like that, okay? Super important that you guys understand that. So this guy, Max Nash, it's already silent. If you don't like my stuff, then just go ahead and click on the, you know, dislike button and then just go home or whatever, you know? Yeah, I mean, even if it doesn't work, what is my first rule? Invest only what you can afford to lose. I'm not saying it's not going to work, but investment rule is that one. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Can I ask you something? Yeah, go ahead and shoot with the questions. We're gonna have some Q&A, of course. Now it's actually time for some awesome news in regards to the BLW Turbo strategy. Does anybody remember here the BLW Turbo strategy? Hopefully you guys do. And if not, it's probably because this was an app that was launched in 2020. It was actually launched during the pandemic, okay? So it's kind of crazy how much money this app actually ended up making for thousands of people out there. But now, since a lot of people are using, for instance, the BLW Binary Master app, the BLW Signals group, it's basically because you guys love the community, okay? They love the community. They love trading with somebody else, for instance, Marcel with BLW Binary Master app. People love them, okay? So what's the point of this? The point of this is that you actually are part of a community with the BLW Turbo app. So there's something big coming up. I'm not going to be able to tell you that right now because tomorrow, 15 GMT, the 1 hour prior from now, I'm actually going to have another live streaming where I'm going to explain you exactly what's going to happen with the BLW Turbo strategy. Don't buy it right now. You're not supposed to buy it right now. I'm sorry. So wait up until tomorrow's streaming where I'm going to tell you what's going on. Now, one thing I can tell you though is that it has something to do with the BLW Signals group. Okay, so if you're part of the BLW Signals group, you should definitely be aware of tomorrow's streaming. Okay? I'm not gonna give you any spoilers, any spoilers in regards to it. Okay, I don't know what fall down. I'm not gonna give you any spoilers in regards to it, but just stay tuned for tomorrow's streaming. Tomorrow, 15 GMT. Am I being clear? Are you guys going to be available tomorrow, 15 GMT for this specific streaming? Let me know right now. Questions. Let me see if there are questions. Okay, I don't see questions right now. Cool. Hi, did you guys smash the like button? Is there a fee to the Autobot for comps? Can I check the video for more detail? There are more videos in regards to cups that I mentioned as to how you can get it. I recommend you to go to those videos so that we can't, we don't actually move from the topic. Okay, so tomorrow GMT. Nazir, if my managers can't solve the issue, I won't be able to solve it either. Okay, they're perfectly capable of helping you with anything you guys want. So send email to support@blwonlinetrading.com. Is your promotion on Signals Group still available? What promotion is it? By the way, remember that you guys have the live chat in this section, WhatsApp or live chat on the website, and ask any promotions that are available right now. And last but not least, in the last 10 minutes, I want to tell you guys something really exciting. I have been waiting for an opportunity like this for probably about 2 years. The reason why is because we lost the opportunity to invest, for instance, in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, whenever the price was actually really low. I even missed an opportunity on Dogecoin when it was super low. Swift FX Capital, is it your platform? Not at all, Mel. What platform is that? Not at all. I don't even know what that is. Who referred you to that website? Don't tell me it was a fake user or something like that. Who referred you there? Okay, so does anybody know what an ICO is? ICO, an initial coin offering. Those of you who don't know, let me tell you what it is. I actually looked for some information in it to be more detailed, and so that you don't think that I'm actually, making stuff up or something like that. And Investopedia, which is a high reputation website, says an initial coin offering, or ICO, is the cryptocurrencies industry's equivalent to an initial public offering, which is an IPO on stocks. A company seeking to raise money to create a new coin, app, or service can launch an ICO as a way to raise funds. Interested investors can buy into an initial coin offering to receive a new cryptocurrency token issued by a company. This token may have some utility related to the product or service that the company is offering, or it may just represent a stake in the company's project. What is the point of this, or to try to sum it up? It is an opportunity to invest in a cryptocurrency coin or token that has not even been launched yet and that is expected to raise in price. For instance, if I'm going to go ahead and purchase Bitcoin when it was at $1, and I purchase 1 million Bitcoins, $1 million in Bitcoin, or let's say $100,000 in Bitcoins. I don't want to scare you with the numbers. $100,000 of coins of $1 in Bitcoin times what it is right now. Let's say 30 grand right now. I would have a total of $3 million. Is it right? Or I think 3 billion. I'm not sure. I think it's 3 billion. Does that make sense? So an ICO is an opportunity to buy a token, a cryptocurrency token, whenever the price is at a starting price. Now, what's the problem with this? Is that they are some kind of, look, let me just go ahead and show you Litecoin Watch, just so that you can actually understand what I'm telling you. So Litecoin Watch allows you to see what is the price of certain currencies right here. The market cap is super important, and what are the movements of the market. So if I actually type in right here, and I see what are the coins with the lowest price. We got this one right here, DPace, which I don't know what it is. It's minus than 0.000000001, for instance. Let me go ahead and go and find a little bit more realistic token right now. Okay, I don't even know how to find this thing. All right, so hold on. Okay, for instance, because this is going crazy, right? We got coins. Solana is at $54. Right? That's a huge drop. We got Dogecoin. Let's go ahead and take a look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin, we're going to go all time. And if you notice in December 2014, we were having Dogecoin at 0.001 penny, right? It continues. It actually went down in pricing, and then it went up all the way to 0.014, and then it maintained 0.03, and then it had a jump of 72. Then the biggest jump was at 73 cents, and right now it's bouncing around what? Around 17 or 8 cents or something like that, I'm sure. Dogecoin right now is at 0.08 cents. So what is the catch right here? That if you were able to purchase Dogecoin when it was 0.0001, you could have made 8 or 80 times more your profit or your investment. Does that make sense? That's basically an ICO, just so that you have an idea. By the way, I'm going to go through the questions right now. But that's an initial coin offering. We're going to have more details in regards to it. We're going to talk about utilities and so on. And here's an example of an ICO that we all lost money from, or that we lost the opportunity to make money from. And it says early investors in the operations are usually motivated to buy the crypto coins in the hope that the plan becomes successful after it launches, which could translate to a higher crypto coin value than what they purchased it before the project was initiated. An example of a successful ICO project that was profitable to early investors is this smart contracts platform called Ethereum. Is anybody familiar with it? Which has Ethers as its coins tokens. In 2014, the Ethereum project was announced and its ICO raised $18 million in Bitcoins, or 0.40 cents per Ether. The project went live in 2015 and in 2016 had an Ether value that went up as high as 14, which with a market capitalization or market cap of over $1 billion. $1 billion. Dogecoin right now has a market cap of $11.8 billion. Okay? What is it that I'm telling you guys this? Because there is an opportunity right now on a coin that I'm actually investing right now. As a matter of fact, I am purchasing, I'm not going to tell you how much today, but I'm going to tell you right now that I'm going to purchase a huge amount of cryptocurrencies, of coins. I don't even know what the, oh, there you go. I was looking for the website. Okay, I don't know where the website is. Hold on. Okay, yeah, I got the website right here. So here's the deal. Do you guys want to see what the website is? Here's the deal. I want you guys to be part of this opportunity. Again, let me go ahead and be as clear as possible with this so that this guy, what was his name? The one that I silenced. If you want to join, am I forcing you? Am I telling you that, oh, I don't know, if you don't do it, I'm not going to have a YouTube channel anymore? No. If you want to be part of it, you're welcome to do so. So here's the deal. An ICO has a private sale and then it has a public sale. I believe the private sale is about to start or something like that. I'm not going to be able to be part of it. But when the public sale comes out within the next few weeks, we are all going to be able to purchase this coin. What's the hope of it? Hope. I'm not saying prediction, and I'm not saying what's guaranteed. The hope is that with all the work that we're going to do together, you know, by making this coin strong, it will rise in price and becomes the next Dogecoin or probably the next Solana. We don't know. Does that make sense? So what we're going to do is that I'm going to purchase millions of coins. I'm not going to tell you the exact number right now, but I'm going to purchase millions of these coins. I'm going to invest a lot of money into it because I'm sure that this is the opportunity to make a few $1 million. Okay? Who is the people who make the most money whenever there's a new cryptocurrency? Obviously, the first people that joined the project. Okay? So the opportunity is right there. The opportunity is right there. The invitation is right there. So let me just go ahead and answer some Q&A. And tomorrow we're going to have a new streaming where I'm going to talk about this BLW Turbo strategy new offer or free gift. And we're also going to be talking about this crypto coin that is coming up. So let's see, where are the questions real quick. About joining your links, under your links and getting either the signals or master app for a week or two. Oh yeah, that's still available. That's still available. You can talk to my chat team. Sorry about that. You were scammed with this, you know, fake me. Uh, how can I improve the 30-second candle time frame, 1 minute trade? I'm not sure what you mean. What coin is that? I'm going to tell you tomorrow. There's no rush. Honestly, it's, it's an opportunity. It's going to be available for us for weeks. So that means that if you don't actually start right now, that means that you're not going to be rich. That's not the case. Okay. So I'm just going to give a couple minutes for a couple of more questions, and then we're going to finish with the streaming, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow for more. Okay. Where we can buy, I'm going to tell you guys as well once this is ready. How can I get the best entry? You mean on the strategy? I think you can watch my other videos. Do you have any other investment platforms, Christian? I'm currently investing right now in COTPS and Mira Yield Farmers. Obviously, my own crypto, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and this coin holding. I also have some USDT, but that's it. Yeah, at least online. John, thank you very much for the donation. Doing a great job as always, Christian. My trading improved a lot. Been 2 years following you. Great job, man. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I'm actually going into a crypto bot that has, I think, like a 50% return in 6 months or something like that. It's really conservative, but I'm actually looking into it. And if I think it's valuable, then I'm going to share it with you. But the only thing is that it's like $200 a month to use the bot. And it is profitable if your investment is big, like $10,000 or $5,000 or something like that. So I know that my average audience don't have $5,000 to invest. So that's the reason why I stay away from offers like that. But Joshua, you probably came in late because we already talked about COTPS. But yeah, thank you very much for being in this specific streaming, people. I do really appreciate it. And if you guys want to be tomorrow for my streaming, remember it's going to be 15 GMT. And then you're going to understand what is it that we're going to